Trust God with all your heart and lean not to your own understanding. Proverbs 3 and 5. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And we're just going to get right into this video. Today I'm going to do a tutorial on this look that I did. It's called Butterfly Locks, and at first I was kind of skeptical of this look, but once I started to do the look more and more, I was starting to fall in love with it. So if you guys want to know how I accomplish this look, make sure you guys continue on watching it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Donna.beautyy, 2 Y's, and also Snapchat LaDonna_BBY. And we're just going to go ahead and get right on into the video, and let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Okay, so I have my hair in plaits all over my hair. I really don't have a specific number that I know of, and I did them kind of medium, the parts kind of medium, and I didn't braid the hair all the way down only because one, I had broken a nail. RIP to this nail. And my finger hurt, so I couldn't really braid all the way down. I tried to do the best that I could. Before I crochet, I'm going to show y'all the kind of hair that you guys will need. Wave 22 inch. I got this in 1B. Oh yeah, so I got Freetress braid hair crochet and 22 inch 1B. So yeah, I got this, a crochet needle, got some glue, my favorite, foam right here, and of course my edge brush. So enough talking, y'all. We're gonna get right into this video, and if you guys want to see the outcome, just continue on watching. I had got 6 packs of hair, so hopefully 6 packs is enough. If not, then I guess I'm out of luck. Okay. But hopefully I won't need any more hair. Usually when I do hairstyles like these for the first time, I usually try to get as many hair or as much hair as possible just in case. And I know how to make hairspray. You know, when you've been doing hair for so long, you know how to make hairspray. And I've been doing my hair since I was in middle school, you know, because my mom, she was like, y'all, I'm not gonna keep doing y'all hair. Y'all gonna have to learn for yourselves. So that's when I started doing my own hair. Okay, so I got one little piece of hair from the crochet, and then I'm gonna grab another piece of hair from the crochet. I'm gonna take one part of here and just separate it like so, like this. And then I'm gonna do the other piece of hair like that, and just go ahead and separate it. So now that I got both strands of hair, I am going to go ahead and connect both of them. So here's the other one. So I'm going to connect them both together like so. I'm gonna go ahead and do one up front just so you guys can see. So what I'm gonna do is stick my crochet needle in my hair like this, and then I'm gonna take the hair, hair that I got like this, and I'm going to basically latch. I'm sorry, y'all. I really want you guys to see this because y'all probably first time watcher of how to do hair, period. So you're just gonna have to learn. So I'm gonna take this little loop right here that I have set up over here. I'm gonna close this latch right here. What I'm gonna do is bring the hair on through, and I'm gonna stop right here so you guys can see this hole that I have right here. And so with this hole, I'm going to grab my hair that's already braided, and I'm gonna pull that through, and I'm gonna tighten it like that. So next I'm going to take a generous amount of hair, and I'm going to take it and just start wrapping. And I want to wrap, you want to wrap kind of tight, not too tight up at the top, but you want to wrap because you want it to be secure. So you're just gonna wrap a couple times, tight at the top, and then as you get to the bottom, loose like this. So, and I think I want my hair to be like right here, so I'm gonna stop in a few. Okay, so now that I stopped right here, I'm going to keep going down just to secure, and then I'm just going to go ahead and hold the bottom piece, take the other piece, flip it up, and hold it really, really tight, y'all. Really, really tight, and wrap back up. Okay, and this is gonna take practice, so just be patient, okay? Y'all, just be patient with yourselves, because you know, practice makes progress. So I'm just going it back to the top. And y'all, I'm doing this loosely because honestly, being as I go, honestly, what they don't tell y'all, when y'all do stuff, hairstyles like this, so sometimes unravel. Just going to put a little gossipy glue spray just to freeze that area, and to secure it, I'm just gonna go ahead and do that to it. There y'all go. Y'all got y'all a butterfly lock, and I think it's cute. I want y'all to really see it. So this is the pattern right here. It's very natural, and I like this style because the way it looks so natural, and I feel like this doesn't take a lot of time. Actually, now that I'm doing it, I feel like it doesn't take a lot of time. And it's okay if you guys leave like little pieces out, because that's what gives it that more natural look anyways. So I'm just wrapping. So I love that dread look. Ooh, yeah. Look, that's how I be every time I get excited about doing a new hairstyle, okay, y'all? So don't judge me. But I'm gonna do it all the way up, tuck it halfway up there, and then I'm going to turn the camera back on and let you guys finish watching and seeing what I'm doing. Okay, y'all, so this is what I've done so far, and it took me quite a minute, and I just wanted to go ahead and finish most of it so I can get to the point and show you guys the finished product. I noticed as I was doing this hairstyle, I found ways of what worked for me and what don't work for me, so you guys will see a different kind of method that I'm doing once I crochet the hair and then wrap it, and I'm gonna show you guys right now. So I'm just gonna take one of these braids, and I already separated most of the hair, so I won't have to go back and keep separating. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take the hair that I had already separated, and I'm gonna go ahead and insert this needle here. I made up a little method instead of bending it and then twisting it, because I know some people might have trouble doing that and it become unloose again. So I made up a little method where I just go ahead and take it and tie a knot at the end, And this is what works best for me, tying the knot, so I won't have to, so I'll make sure the bottom is secure and it won't unravel. So what I did was tie a knot like this. And then what I did was just start wrapping around that knot. So when I wrap back up, it won't be loose at the bottom. Because I noticed as I was wrapping it up, the hair started to become loose. So I'm like, oh no, I can't have this. I've worked so hard trying to get to this point. So I decided to come up with a different type of method. So yeah, what I'm doing is just wrapping it all the way back up to the top. And need I remind you guys, this is my first time doing this hairstyle. When I do hairstyles like these, I like to go ahead and do them on my hair first before I do it on anybody else, like my family members or my clients, because I do hair on the side a little bit. And I like to do this on my hair first only because I like to test it out and see the do's and don'ts of the hairstyle. And as you guys can see, it's secure. It's not coming out. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed up this video and speed up the process, and you guys can watch me finish this little bit of section that I have left in my hair. And then after that, I will get ready off camera and come back on and let you guys know what I think about the hair. Alright y'all, so this is the final product. I wanted to go ahead and add some styling mousse on my hair just so it can lock everything into place. Just want to lock everything into place, that's all. So I'm just using literally a tad bit, not too much. And then I'm also going to lay my edges with my Got2b glue. If y'all know me and y'all have watched me before on my YouTube channel, y'all know that I use nothing but Got2b glue gel to lay my edges, because really that's the only thing that lays my hair and keeps them laid all day. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add the Got2b glue gel, and I let it dry. Like, I let it sit a little bit just so it can get tacky, and once I lay it, it will stay. But until then, I'm just gonna add a little bit more hairspray just so everything can be secure and locked in. Okay, now that my edges kind of dried and got tacky, I'm gonna go ahead and lay them with my toothbrush. Oh wait, not my edge brush. I'm gonna use my edge brush. Gonna go ahead and lay my edges. And everybody lay their edges differently, so y'all don't come for me the way I lay my edges, okay? I lay my edges to however my hair feeling that day. Sometimes they lay, sometimes they don't. But today it's gonna lay because this hairstyle is fleeky. I like to get my sideburns a little bit. Alright, thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And also let me know what other looks you guys would like to see from me. And I'm absolutely in love with this look. I absolutely love it. So I'm going to probably do another video on a different color, because I usually like to do either black or 613 with a little bit of 27 mixed in there. But overall, I love this look, and I hope you guys love it too. I just want to say I love you guys and thank you guys for your support, and you guys have a blessed and highly favored day.